At some point in our lives, we will need to show something to prove our identity, like if we are enrolling in a learning facility, bank, government services, and private businesses. Useful for those who don't have a driver's license but need official photo ID. Getting a government-issued ID in Alberta is a straightforward process, but it's important to know the eligibility criteria, required documents, and costs involved. Whether you need an ID for travel, banking, or identification purposes, here's everything you need to know. To apply for an Alberta identification card, you must be a resident of Alberta, be at least 12 years old, provide proof that you are legally entitled to be in Canada. Example, Canadian citizenship, permanent residency, or valid immigration documents. Not hold a valid Alberta driver's license, as you can't have both an ID card and a driver's license at the same time. When applying for an Alberta ID, you need to present the following: proof of identity, a valid passport, birth certificate, or other government-issued document, proof of Alberta residency, utility bill, bank statement, or rental agreement showing your name and Alberta address. Make sure that the date on the proof of address in not more than 90 days. If you choose to use a rental agreement, a current payment receipt might be asked as a support document. Proof of legal presence in Canada, such as a Canadian birth certificate, valid permanent resident card, or immigration document. Your proof of legal presence in Canada is crucial. It must be valid. If you have applied for extension on your work or study permit, you will be asked to show the approval and extension of the application from your IRCC account. Parental consent, if under 18. If you're under 18 and applying for your first ID, a parent or guardian may need to accompany you. Your parent or guardian can vouch for the proof of address as long as you live with them on the same address stated on their valid Alberta ID or driver's license. You can apply for an Alberta ID card at any Alberta Registry office. Just visit a registry agent near you with your required documents, and they will process your application. The cost for an Alberta identification card varies by registry, but generally the fee is around $50 to $65. It's always a good idea to check with your local registry office for exact pricing. Once you apply, your Alberta ID card will be